it comes to research and analytics. Bloomberg Terminal is not just a tool, it's the industry's most powerful and real-time data center. The Bloomberg Terminal provides real-time financial data from across the world of finance, news, analytics, opportunities, data, international financial markets, trading options, etc., including all the historical prices. The Bloomberg Terminal is used by finance professionals across the world, irrespective of the company they work for. Top investment banks, asset management firms, financial research and advisory firms, and many more across the world use Bloomberg Terminal for its market intelligence and investment research capabilities. At PIBM, we train our students to extract data, analyze market trends, build portfolios, and understand economic indicators in real time. With this training, students are prepared for roles in finance domains such as equity research and advisory, portfolio management, investment banking, finance analytics, finance consulting, to name a few. The extensive hands-on training based on Bloomberg Terminal and finance skill development has helped our students who currently work at top firms like Deloitte, JP Morgan, BNY, EY, Morgan Stanley, and many more. So come to PIBM, witness how the transformation of student happens with the use of latest and modern industry-relevant tools and training.